Hey guys, as you can tell, I am outside. We're going to do something different on my channel today. I've been reading on this product that I'm going to use today. What I'm going to do is try to pressure wash the house without using a pressure washer. And I'm going to show you the product in a moment. We've been living in our home for about a year now, and we have a lot of bugs and stuff that attaches itself to the vinyl and the roof of the ceiling, the the uh, the ceiling of the roof on the porch is what I'm trying to say. So I thought that I would get out here and try to do something about that. Now I am going to buy the Zap Light, I think it's what it's called. They have it in Home Depot for like $14.99 for one. I'm blinding out with my glasses on now. Okay. For $14.99 for one, but I did see it on Amazon and it's cheaper, so I'm going to purchase it from Amazon. But let me tell you guys, show you guys the product that I'm talking about. Then I'm going to kind of do a walk around my home to show you the vinyl, uh, the areas that needs to be cleaned. Now, it is later in the evening. It's a little after 5, so hopefully the daylight will continue so I can video this. If not, I'll probably have to do it in 2 parts. So let me show you the product that I'm talking about. Okay guys, so here is the product that I am referring to. It is by Mold Armor and the name of it is Easy House Wash. Why did I sound like I was singing just now? Anyhow, it kills mold and mildew, and it covers up to 4,500 square feet per bottle. And it said it blasts away algae stains, dirt, and debris, cleans siding, brick, concrete, and trim. And then they have the, let me show you the bottle. They have the little hose here. And the only thing you do, you attach your water hose to this side here. And I'll demonstrate that in a moment. And it has 3 different readings up here. If you can see it, it has clean, rinse, and then this one says off. Probably can't really see it. Off, rinse, and clean. And you just move that little black this little black item here. You push it to which one you need it to be on. So let's read some directions, you guys. As I stated here, cleans up to 4,500 square feet, cleans vinyl, sealed brick and concrete, painted wood, stucco, aluminum, trim, siding, and restored or resurfaced finishes. And we already read that. And this is some of the directions. It says spray on, wait 10 minutes, wash off, no scrubbing. It won't harm plants when used as directed. So let me get to that portion where it talks about the plants, you guys. Hopefully I can show you on here. It states that right here, it says spray surrounding plants with water. So that way you can prevent, because it does have like a bleach solution to it, so you won't risk your plants or flowers getting ruined. So you're supposed to water it down in the beginning prior to using this product, and then after you use it, you're supposed to water it down again, your flowers and your plants, just in case some of the product did get on those areas. You want to rinse it off again. So again, you rinse it off with water. I'm talking about your flowers and your plants. You want to water it down really well. After using the product as directly, you want to water your plants and flowers down again, just in case some products did spill on them. So we're going to give this a try, you guys. I have never done this before. However, I did look at a lot of reviews on YouTube, and everyone loves this product, you guys. So and these are some of the settings that the little handle that I showed you that it has a hose on there. These are some of the settings that that it can accomplish. So, and I bought 2 bottles because I do have a 2-story house. And by the way, it did say that it reaches the two-story. If you have a two-story house, it does reaches the second floor. I looked at some of the reviews. Some people did use a ladder because it said it wasn't getting very far. But I think that's also depends on the type of water hose you have too, because some people did not use this when they went to rinse off their home. They did not use this. They actually just used their water hose because they said that it was able to reach further. So we're gonna give it a try. So now, you guys, I'm just gonna give you a walk around of my home and kind of see the areas that I'm talking about. So this is the front of my home. Let me get up closer. Hopefully you can see there's a lot of bugs. I don't really have mildew because, like I said, my home was a brand new construction when we moved in, and we've only been here for a year. So you know, but has some stains, but mostly a lot of just from like gnats. Okay guys, so yeah, so as I was saying, so you can see there's a lot of built up dirt and stuff but there's a lot of built up dirt from the gnats and the bugs. So that's what we're going to try to blast off. I don't really have mildew, as I stated. And here is up here. This is the worst, you guys. It looks so nasty because the area that I live in is a lot of trees and grass in the back, like a swamp area, if you will. So we have a lot of bugs and spiders and yeah, all of that stuff that just comes and get on your home, and it's really terrible, especially as summer proceeds. And we also sometimes have snakes that try to come on our property from the back. So that's the front, you guys. And here is the side, which I don't know if I'm gonna bother this because I don't really want to get this stuff here wet, which I know it can get wet because it's outside and it rains and everything. But yeah, so I know you can't see all the way up there, but yeah, that's far. So I don't have a ladder, so I'm gonna try to reach what I can reach, you guys. So yeah, so I have that pretty much all around my property. Okay guys, so if you can remember how the top of my porch looked, this is how it looks now. Hopefully it's a good view. The sun is going down, so it's a little darker out here now. That is the roof portion of my porch. And this is, hold on, let me get a better angle, you guys. This is the trimming of the door. If you can remember how that looked. And here is the vinyl. So I have all the bugs and things off. Oh, well, I think I showed you guys the window portion. And then now my little post, the 3 posts are clean. Now this portion here, I do need to go back and do it because I was running out of solution. Y'all saw how I had a hard time because the water hose was leaking and I had to switch water hoses, so now it's not leaking. And I did go over this at the end with the first bottle, but as I stated, I was running out. But I do have another bottle, so I'm probably going to quickly go over that as well. But I wanted to show you the garage. I haven't done the garage area yet, so I'm getting ready to do that, but I wanted to give you a before. And again, it's just a lot of bugs. And that top portion there. Oh, I need to get that side of the house too. I didn't get that portion there. I probably need to go do the other side of the house as well. So that's how my garage is looking here. All the way down and down here. Then my light fixtures as well. I need to spray those. The garage door itself isn't that bad. It's just basically the trim around the garage that is bad, but I'm going to spray that as well because it probably does have some dirt, unseen dirt on there. So I'm going to do this, you guys, and I'm going to try to do that portion of the house too. See how far it can reach up because my roof goes all the way, my home go all the way up there pretty high. So I'm just going to get what I can because I do not have a ladder, and if I did, you guys, I would not be getting way up there because I'm afraid of heights. Not really afraid of heights, but it's a little nerve-wracking, but you know, I can't go up that high. But anyways, yeah, I'm going to show you guys me doing the garage here.